Good morning, students. Today we are again going to conclude here the essay of Love by Francis Bacon. Lecture number 24. In this concluding essay of love, we are going to study in detail the views of Francis Bacon about about love. In the previous three lectures, lecture number 21, 2 and lecture number 19, 20 and 21, we have very well gone through the philosophy of Francis Bacon through his well-known essay of love. Dear friend, Francis Bacon is of the opinion that love is only suits. प्रेम हे फक्त आणि फक्त रंगमंचावर आणि थिएटरच्या पडद्यावरच चांगलं वाटतं. आपल्या वास्तव जीवनामध्ये, वास्तव समाजामध्ये आपण राहते वेळेस तो चालणार नाही. तुम्ही बघता एखाद्या रंगमंचावर किंवा सिनेमातील थिएटरच्या स्क्रीनवर, पडद्यावर जेव्हा एखादी हिरो हिरोईन गाणे म्हणतात, प्रेमाचं एकमेकाला कबुली देतात आणि त्यांच्या शेवटी लग्न होते. परंतु वास्तव जीवनामध्ये आपण ह्या गोष्टी विचार करू शकत नाही. मित्र हो, तुम्ही मला सांगा, असं कुठल्या समाजात किंवा गल्लीत किंवा कुठल्या मोहल्ल्यामध्ये असं कुठंतरी दोघं गाणे म्हणते वेळेस दिसतात का प्रेम दिसतं? काहीच नाही. कारण की हे फक्त मनोरंजनाचं साधन आहे. ते फक्त आणि फक्त रंगमंचावर किंवा एखाद्या थिएटर पुरता विषय चांगला वाटतो. तिथून बाहेर आल्यानंतर तो आपण आपल्या वास्तव जीवनामध्ये तो प्रयोग करू शकत नाही. जर तसं कुणी करण्याचा प्रयत्न केला तर तो आपलं आयुष्य सर्वस्व गमावून बसेल. कारण की वास्तव जीवनामध्ये त्याला कुठल्याच धर्माने, समाजाने, प्रथा परंपरेने प्राचीन काळापासून त्याला स्थान दिलेलं नाही. एक गोष्ट म्हणून फ्रान्सिस बेकन, the well-known philosopher, idealist, moralist, social reformer, and an educationist, very well expresses his knowledgeful word, his philosophical advice to the generation, the generation like you means the young generation, the learning fraternity, whose age is the molding age, flexible age. You have to follow the such principles of ideal people, philosophy of such good people, and accept the ideal path. So, Francis Bacon's philosophy is for us that he talks about the negative aspect of the love, because if you are involved in the love, you will definitely lose. And he gives the well-known examples of the well-known historical, philosophical, talented figures. They have not only the bold hearts, but they have, beside that bold heart and personality, they have the large fortune. They have tremendous wisdom, means knowledge, and they have the capacity of decision making and decision giving. Then also, such great people diverted, attracted towards the love, and they have lost everything, whatever they have. Not only they have lost their belongings, but also their intellectuality also they have lost. So, my dear friends, Francis Bacon here says, as a moralist and philosopher, he says, no great and worthy person of ancient or modern time has ever been transported to the modern degree of love. According to him, man was created, because here he simply say what I told you earlier, man was created only to contemplate noble and great object, to contemplate noble and great object, because man's creation by God is for such noble and great objects, for noble deeds means उदात्त काम, समाजाने परंपरेने धर्माने देशांनी जे काही चांगले कर्तव्य माणसासाठी ठरवलेले आहेत ते काम करण्यासाठी माणसाचा जन्म झालेला आहे. मीन्स मॅन वॉज क्रिएटेड ओनली टू कंटेम्पलेट नोबल अँड ग्रेट ऑब्जेक्ट. It is not made to kneel before a woman. And he further says, it is not made to kneel. It is not made to kneel before a woman. एका स्त्री पुढं वाकण्यासाठी किंवा आपले महत्वाचे कामं बाजूला ठेवून स्त्रीसाठी वेळ देणं चुकीचं आहे हे तू सांगतो. मीन्स डोंट अट्रॅक्ट ऑर फॉलो द वुमन अँड कीप असाइड द बिझनेस. आपला मूळ व्यवसाय, मूळ आईवडिलाची जबाबदारी, सामाजिक पारंपरिक लावलेलं माणसाची महत्वाची कामं ते सोडून आपल्या उपजीविकेचं, आपल्या जबाबदारीचं सर्व भान ठेवून माणसाने आपल्या कामामध्ये व्यस्त असलं पाहिजे, ना की नील बिफोर वुमन एखाद्या स्त्री पुढं वाकलं पाहिजे. According to Francis Bacon, he further says, love is the child of holy. हे मूर्खाचं काम आहे म्हणतो तो. Love is the child of holy. हे मूर्खाचं काम आहे. It's a wise policy. Means he also advises us that you accept and absorb and follow the criteria. He says it is a wise policy to keep love in limit. Means he says it is wise policy to keep love in. It is a wise policy to keep love in limit and don't allow or mix it in bigness, and don't allow or mix it in don't allow or mix it in business, because keep the love at one side and keep your business on the other side, because this is such passion, this is such weakness. According to Francis Bacon, he says beware of this passion. beware म्हणजे सावधान रहा. beware of this passion. Beware of this passion, or from this passion we loseth not only other things, we loseth not only other things but itself. Itself means the man self. The man in total it destroys and gives nothing. Because why he says which loseth not only other things but itself, means here by these things it is made to contemplate noble and ideal things. It is not good to kneel before woman Love is the child of folly. Love is the it is the duty of the wise man to keep love, this weak passion and attraction of the eyes from his business. Because keep business and love separately, otherwise you will ruin means nest fall, destroy yourself. And he further says and gives the valuable advice to us: beware of this passion which loseth not only other things but itself, means the man who involves in this work. Because and Francis Bacon further clears each and everything by giving the examples of great people from the mythology, from the history, from the ancient times of the BC. He gives the examples because we have seen that the Marcus Antony is of 42 BC. Then we have Appius Claudius is of also the ancient time. Mark Antony's love for Cleopatra, Virginia, and mythological reference of Paris, Prince of Troy, and the Helen, the Greek beautiful woman and queen, are the examples of such from the history, from the ancient time, from the mythological time. These references of these great people shows that they have not only lost their kingdom, wisdom, and also their position and their selves also. Because these people in the process of love, they have lost their status, we can say the identity, then we simply say the royalship. They have lost their kingdom, they have lost their wisdom and family and children as well. Means they have lost in the process of such love, they have lost everything, and their fault is that they kneel before a woman. They become the child of folly, and the attraction of their eyes towards the beauty of these women like Cleopatra, Virginia, Helen, they totally devoted themselves and forget their own identity, who they are and for what they stand. Their noble identity, their noble duties, their boldness, their bravery, their wisdom, their prosperity, and their unique work for which they stand. They have lost everything in the process of lovemaking and destroyed themselves also in the process. So, Francis Bacon is of the opinion that don't follow the love and don't be the victim of eyes and don't kneel before a woman. Because Francis Bacon says that it is impossible to love and be wise at the same time. Because according to Bacon, it is impossible to love and be wise at a time, because it is very much impossible to love and be wise at a time. Because if you involve in the love, you couldn't keep your wisdom at the same time, because you will totally destroy in the process of love and you will forget your wisdom, your knowledge, your duty for what you stand. So it is very much difficult to love and be at the same time. So Francis Bacon simply says us that by giving the examples of these great people, they fell in love, so they lose their wisdom. So it is very difficult at the same time to do both the works of keeping the love and keeping the, we can say, keeping the wisdom. So, while concluding the essay, I will just highlight the important quotations we stand on the essays. Firstly, we have discussed that the stage is more beholding to love than the real, because only love suits in the on the stage, not in the real life. For it is true rule that for it is true rule that love is ever rewarded either with ever rewarded either with the reciprocal or with an inward secret. Reciprocal or reciprocal or inward secret means it is good, just you accept it and be away from it. They do best who they cannot but admit love means the same he says, they do best, they do best if they cannot but admit love. If they cannot but if they cannot but admit love, it make it keep quarter. It make it keep quarter. Means those which keeps the safe distance from each other. Means rule that love is ever rewarded either with reciprocal or inward secret, or they do best if they cannot but admit love and make it keep quarter means keep distance from each other. And finally, Francis Bacon quotes the well-known philosophy through this essay that the nuptial love. Nuptial love means the love of husband and wife, which is the ideal symbol of society. Make the mankind. Nuptial love, make the mankind. Means it is better for mankind, the love of husband and wife. Then he talks about the friendly love, perfect it, but wanton love. Wanton love corrupts and immerseth mankind. Means the wanton love means the one man who is attracted towards the love that is not ideal and who loses not only himself but each and everything. So, my dear students, what Francis Bacon had said, keep in mind totally and follow the social, family, and the nation responsibilities which make the man the noble and ideal. With this, I stop here and we have this way completed Francis Bacon's all the 5 essays of love of revenge, of friendship, of study and of parents and children. Then with this, in the next class, we will begin the mock epic Rape of the Lock by Alexander Pope. Thank you very much.